Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture all your driving adventures. On the left, we have the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite comparison category, price. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a wallet-friendly $25. That's less than a tank of gas. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K is priced at $89. Now that's a bit steeper, but is it worth the extra dough? Let's find out. When it comes to continuous power and protection, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit takes the lead. This kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing 24/7 power to your dash cam. Plus, it has a smart low-voltage protection system to prevent draining your battery. Talk about peace of mind. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers a 24-hour parking monitor and time-lapse feature. It automatically activates and records emergency videos upon detecting collisions, perfect for protecting your vehicle from theft or vandalism. Just remember, you'll need to grab the additional hardwire kit for this feature. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of any dash cam: video quality. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit supports multiple dash cams and offers a Type-C USB plug. However, it only records up to 1080p resolution. Not bad, but can it beat the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K? The VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K takes the cake with its advanced Jarvis sensor and 2.5K 1440p resolution. It captures crystal clear video, ensuring you can read license plates and road signs with ease. Plus, it has super night vision and a wide dynamic range for optimal footage, even in low-light conditions. Convenience is key, especially when you're on the go. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit has an ACC mode, meaning it turns on and off with your ignition. No more fumbling with chargers or manually turning on your dash cam. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference. Meanwhile, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control. You can view and manage your recordings instantly on your smartphone, making it easy to download and share videos with friends and family. It's like having a personal assistant for your dash cam. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K go head-to-head in this dash cam showdown. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K go head-to-head in this dash cam showdown. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. Remember to check out the description below for more information and links to purchase these dash cams. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and drive safe.